Android 17 is here, and it's a game changer, literally. Google's latest operating system update has taken mobile gaming to new heights with Foldable Gaming Mode. And at the same time, it's made a huge leap forward in AI capabilities with Gemini Intelligence. But what does it all mean for you? And how can you make the most out of these new features? As a busy professional, you deserve to have the latest and greatest technology at your fingertips, without sacrificing performance or security. That's why I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to use Android 17's most exciting features, from setting up Gemini Intelligence to unlocking the full potential of Foldable Gaming Mode. First things first, let's talk about Gemini Intelligence. This AI-powered assistant is designed to learn your habits and preferences, making it easier than ever to get things done. To get started, simply go to your Settings app, scroll down to Gemini Intelligence, and toggle it on. You'll be prompted to set up a